everyone and welcome to Lisa B. Thank you so much for joining me. A very brief video on the question that comes up a lot, yoga or Pilates? I'm not sitting on the fence with this. I would say both. So the main differences are, just very briefly, so yoga you're going to focus on flexibility and stability. Pilates you're going to focus on stability and strength, so slightly different. Pilates, the breathing is much more technical. You're inhaling and exhaling at certain points. I teach Pilates, so of course I'm a little bit biased, but I do yoga regularly. I find it incredibly beneficial. There's a little bit more of that spiritual connection with meditation and, you know, exercising through meditation, just being in that zone, giving yourself a half an hour or an hour. Pilates, I just find it benefits me with my lower back problems that I've had in the past, which, touch wood, I don't have anymore. But there are benefits to both. If you can fit both of them into your weekly routine, they complement each other extremely well. I love them both. So I'm not a yoga teacher, I only teach Pilates. But yeah, I would definitely say there are benefits to both. Give them both a try, see how you go. You might lean towards one rather than the other, but they will both benefit your body incredibly well and complement each other really well. Thank you so much for joining me. This was just my opinion on Pilates or yoga. I would say both. Oh yes, I really would. Not sitting on the fence, just putting it out there. Any movement, any physical activity is good for us. Take care and I hope to see you soon.